Welcome to Imperial Expedition, where we offer you a unique and unparalleled experience in some of the world's most captivating destinations. I am Pem Sherpa, the CEO and lead guide of our company. With years of experience in the adventure travel industry, I have a deep understanding of the regions we operate in and a passion for sharing their beauty and culture with others. Whether you're exploring the majestic Himalayas in Nepal, discovering the ancient history of Tibet, immersing yourself in the spiritual culture of Bhutan, reaching new heights on Kilimanjaro, or venturing through the breathtaking landscapes of Peru, we have designed a range of trips to suit your individual needs and interests. At Imperial Expedition, we believe in sustainable and responsible travel, ensuring that your trip has a positive impact on the local communities and environments we visit. Our team of expert guides and support staff is dedicated to making your journey safe, enjoyable, and memorable. We understand that embarking on a new adventure can be daunting, but rest assured that we are with you every step of the way, from planning and preparation to the final farewell. Our goal is to exceed your expectations and provide you with a life-changing experience. Thank you for choosing Imperial Expedition, and I look forward to welcoming you on your next adventure. Namaste.